Hi, today's topic is how businesses can reduce their e-waste footprint and help protect the environment. Electronic waste is growing faster than any other waste stream in the world. Old computers, servers, phones and devices pile up in landfills or get exported for unsafe recycling. This harms ecosystems, wastes valuable resources and creates serious health risks for communities. But businesses can take real steps to reduce this problem. Let us go through practical ways to cut e-waste and operate more sustainably. First, look at how your business buys electronics. Many businesses focus only on cost and speed, replacing equipment every few years, whether it's truly necessary or not. Instead, choose devices that are durable, repairable, and built to last. Check if manufacturers offer spare parts, repair guides, or extended warranties. Avoid products that are glued shut or built to discourage repairs. Buying smarter reduces how often devices need replacing and lowers your e-waste over time. Next, keep equipment in use longer. Upgrade memory, storage, or software before deciding to replace a machine. Often, a simple upgrade can add several years of useful life to a computer or server. Regular maintenance also makes a difference. Dust out hardware, check batteries, and avoid leaving devices in high heat or damp areas. These small actions slow down wear and tear and keep electronics running properly. Another tip is to redeploy older equipment internally instead of discarding it. For example, older laptops might be perfect for less demanding tasks, like basic data entry or training. Staff in non-technical roles often do not need the newest machines. Think creatively about where older gear can still add value. When electronics truly reach end of life, work only with certified e-waste recyclers. Look for recyclers with proper environmental certifications who guarantee responsible processing of devices and data destruction. Avoid informal recyclers who might ship waste overseas, where it can cause pollution and health hazards. Proper recycling recovers valuable materials like copper, gold, and rare earth metals, reducing the need for new mining and helping the circular economy. Reducing e-waste is not only a technical problem, it's also about culture. Educate staff about the cost and impact of e-waste. Set clear internal policies for when and how devices get replaced, reused, or recycled. A written policy helps avoid wasteful upgrades driven by habit or assumptions. It keeps your business focused on sustainability and cost control. And finally, track your e-waste footprint. Keep records of how many devices come in, how long they stay in service, and how are they disposed of. Measuring this helps identify areas for improvement and shows progress over time. Many customers and investors care about sustainability reporting, so these records also support your business reputation. In summary, reducing e-waste is good for the environment, good for your budget, and good for your business image. Buy better products, extend their life, redeploy wisely, recycle responsibly, educate your team, and keep track of your results. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more ways businesses can protect the environment and build sustainable operations.